How long does it take to install Google Play on my Hisense Smart TV?
Hello there. Are you having trouble installing Google Play on your Hisense Smart TV? You're not alone. Today, we're going to take you through the step-by-step process of getting Google Play up and running on your TV. This process usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your internet speed and the specifics of your TV model. Let's get started.
Is your TV compatible?
Before we begin, it's important to note that not all Hisense Smart TVs can support Google Play. Google Play is available on Hisense Smart TVs that operate on Android OS. If your TV is not using Android OS, I'm afraid you won't be able to install Google Play.
Connect to the internet.
Next, you need to connect your Hisense Smart TV to the internet. You can do this by going to the Settings menu on your TV, selecting Network, and then following the prompts to connect to your home Wi-Fi network. Make sure your connection is stable to avoid any interruptions during the installation process.
Access Google Play.
If your TV runs on Android OS, then it should already have Google Play installed. Simply navigate to the home screen and look for the Google Play Store icon. If you can't find it, try searching for it in the App section.
Sign in to your Google account.
Once you've found Google Play, select it, and you'll be asked to sign in to your Google account. Enter your account details and sign in. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one.
Updating Google Play.
After signing in, it's a good idea to check if your Google Play Store app needs an update. If it does, go ahead and update it. This might take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. And that's it. You should now have Google Play installed and ready to use on your Hisense Smart TV. Enjoy exploring the plethora of apps and services available. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy streaming!